Hey everyone, welcome back to Ganesh Tech. Today, we're diving into the all-new Vivo V50, a smartphone that's been making waves in the mid-range segment. But is it worth your hard-earned money? Well, in this video, I'll give you 4 solid reasons to buy the Vivo V50 and 2 reasons why you might want to skip it. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a performance seeker, or just looking for a great deal, this video will help you decide if the Vivo V50 is the right fit for you. So let's get started. Vivo V50 5G Rose Red, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, with no-cost EMI/additional exchange offers camera, rear camera, 50MP Zeiss main camera, OIS, f/1.88, FOV 84 degree, 6P lens 50MP Zeiss wide-angle lens, f/2.0, FOV 119.4 degree, 5P lens selfie camera, 50MP super wide-angle focus lens, AF, f/2.0, FOV 92 degree, 5P lens, 4K divided by 1080p divided by 720p video recording resolution. Screen and display, 17.19 centimeters, 6.77 inch, quad curved AMOLED capacitive multi-touch display, P3 wide color gamut supported, 387 ppi high pixel density, 4,500 nits local peak brightness. Memory and SIM, 12GB RAM, 512GB internal memory, LPDR4X, UFS 2.2, Bluetooth 5.4. Battery, 6,000 mAh battery, Li-ion battery. Fast charging, 90W flash charge, USB 2.0. SIM, 2 nano SIMs, 5G plus 5G dual SIM dual standby. Security, in-display optical fingerprint sensor for optimum security for your data. Processor, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 5G processor, 4nm process node, FunTouchOS 15. Scene mode, front camera, photo, portrait, night video, micro movie, high resolution, dual view, live photo, rear main camera, photo, portrait, night video, micro movie, high resolution, Pano, Ultra HD document, slow-mo, time-lapse, supermoon, astro, pro, snapshot, food, dual view, live photo, rear wide-angle camera, photo, night video, time-lapse, pro, high resolution, Ultra HD document. 4 reasons to buy and 2 reasons to skip the Vivo V50. The Vivo V50 is the latest premium mid-range smartphone in India. At a starting price of 34,999 rupees, the Vivo V50 offers 50MP Zeiss cameras, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, the latest Android 15, and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. The new Vivo smartphone also scores pretty decent in our review, making it a good choice under 40,000 rupees. The Vivo V50, like any other smartphone, has drawbacks as well. In this article, we'll give you reasons to buy or skip the Vivo V50 based on our detailed review. Reasons to buy the Vivo V50. Stylish and robust build. The Vivo V50 has a sleek form factor with curved edges. It's also said to be the slimmest 6,000 mAh smartphone in the segment. Adding to the stylish design is the starry blue color variant, which has a unique design that shows a star-like design under different lighting conditions. You get an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, and a flatter display for added resilience.